Sit like a boss, work like a champ. The Marsail Ergonomic Chair that loves your back. Let's be honest, most office chairs are back-breaking, sweat-trapping nightmares. But the Marsail Ergonomic Office Chair? It's built different. Designed for all-day comfort, this high-back mesh powerhouse comes with adjustable lumbar support, a reclining backrest, 90 degrees to 120 degrees, and 3D armrests that move like a dream. Whether you're grinding through deadlines, gaming for hours, or conquering Zoom meetings, this chair has your back, literally. The breathable mesh keeps you cool, so you're not stuck in a sweaty seat, while the plush seat cushion cradles your body like a cloud. Why suffer through discomfort? Upgrade to ultimate support and relaxation today. If your current chair feels like it's actively plotting against your spine, it's time for an upgrade. The Marsail is built to adapt to you, not the other way around. Its 2D adjustable lumbar system moves up, down, forward, and backward, delivering personalized lower back support that reduces pain and promotes healthy posture. Unlike stiff, generic chairs, the Marsail molds to your body, ensuring you sit comfortably for hours on end. The adjustable headrest also provides neck and head support, so no more stiff shoulders or tension headaches. Why settle for less when you can have customized comfort? Let's talk about seat comfort, because nobody wants to feel like they're sitting on a wooden bench. The Marsail's 3.14-inch thick, high-density foam seat offers just the right balance of softness and support, relieving pressure on your hips and tailbone. With a wider-than-average seat, it distributes weight evenly, making long hours at your desk way more bearable. This sturdy chair holds up to 300 pounds, meaning it's built to last, not fall apart after a few months. Tired of replacing cheap, flimsy chairs? The Marsail is designed for durability and long-term use, making it a smart investment for your workspace. Flexibility is everything in a great office chair, and Marsail delivers with its 3D armrests. Move them up, down, forward, backward, and sideways to find your perfect arm position, no more awkward angles or sore wrists. Need extra space? Flip the armrests up and slide the chair neatly under your desk. The nylon frame and smooth rolling wheels let you glide effortlessly across your workspace without annoying squeaks or wobbles. And at just 30.4 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move easily, yet sturdy enough to stay in place. Versatile, smooth, and ultra-functional, what more could you ask for? At the end of the day, this chair saves your back, your time, and your wallet. It's affordable, tech-tested, and built to last, a premium chair without the premium price tag. Compared to overpriced luxury brands, Marsail delivers top-tier comfort, adjustability, and support at a fraction of the cost. No more daily backaches, no more sweaty discomfort, and no more settling for less. Whether you're working hard or gaming all night, this chair has your back, literally. Upgrade your seat. Upgrade your life. Get yours now.